Mr. Speaker, shockingly, individuals on the federal terrorist watch list are not excluded from purchasing firearms in the United States. Quite simply, this means you can be on a terrorist watch list and be prohibited from boarding a plane because we think you're a terrorist, but you can buy a semi-automatic weapon. Last week, American-born al-Qaeda spokesman Adam Gadane urged the terrorist group followers to exploit this terror gap in our gun laws. Our enemies, intent on destroying Americans and our way of life, have made a calculated decision that Congress cares more about protecting the gun lobby than it does the safety of its citizens. They are convinced we lack the courage and fortitude to close our gaping loopholes, and that their persistent campaign to strike again on our soil has new promise. I would love to stand here today and say our enemy has grossly underestimated us. I am not certain I can. My colleagues in Congress are now faced with a critical opportunity to do the right thing and pass the most common sense of common sense policies by closing the terror gap. Al-Qaeda will be watching our response. Thank you.